Hi, my name is Nur Syuhada binti Azman.
Hi, my name is Atika Maisara.
My name is Muhammad Nur Adi bin Adili.
Saya Muhammad Zohri bin Muhammad Zaki.
Nowadays, due to the busy schedule, people prefer to eat instant food than having a proper meal. The best food is instant noodle because it is easy and fast to make. And as we all know, most convenience stores provide cooking machines such as water heater and microwave. But unfortunately, water heater is only able to provide hot water while microwave only can reheat the food. And it is not convenient that people cannot eat various types of food. And aware of this issue, Republic of Korea has introduced a self-cooking machine so that people can boil their own instant noodle. And in this project, our team will design a program that can improve the functionality of existing machine by adding more cooking options. And also, we will upgrade the safety trait by installing sensor to the machine. Next, objective. The main objective of this project is first, student can write a program code using Easy68K simulator. Second, student can design improvement of a self-cooking machine by providing variety cooking option and increase safety level. And third, student can relate the Easy68K simulator with real-life application.
Before we start with our project description, I would love to explain about how the technology of self-cook machines work in other countries. First of all, the user has to scan the barcode provided at the packaging of the food. Next, when the LED lights up, indicating that the system is ready to use, the user has to place the container on the electrical stove and press the start button to start the cooking process. Since the cooking method is by boiling the food, the water will come out from the water dispenser to fill the container. Then, the next thing you have to do is wait for the food to cook and add extra ingredients if you would like to. The cooking process will stop once the time is up. If the user is not satisfied with the food, they can add more water to the container and increase the duration of cooking according to their preference.
Okay, for my part, I will representing Easy68K simulator as the hardware. We use 5 push button and 2 switch in this hardware, which is the first button is off, the second is barcode scanner, which is to determine cooking method like reheat, fry, boil and steam. The third button is turn on switch, which is to turn on the program, and the fourth button is start button to start the cooking process, and the last button is emergency button, which is to stop the cooking process and turn on the emergency system. For our switch, for the first sensor is infrared sensor, which is to send hand movement, and the second switch is smoke detector and liquid leakage sensor.
Now I will show you the demo of our system with Easy68K. Okay, so firstly we must run and view the hardware. So you can see the hardware is in off condition. Okay, so if you want to on the system, you must push button 3. Okay, so you can see the LED was light up and the server segment was shown hello. Okay, so in real hardware, we use barcode scanner to determine the method, but in this hardware, we just consider push button 1 as the barcode scanner. Okay, if you can see in this table, barcode fry for in display 7 segment is 1. If we use barcode bake, the display 7 segment is 2. Okay, so I want to use barcode scanner fry. Okay, so the system will push button 1 for once. Okay, so you can see the display in 7 segment is 1. Okay, so to start the function 1, you must push button 2. Okay, so you can see this is a cooking process. In cooking process, if you want to add some ingredient, infrared sensor consider a switch 5 will on and the temperature will be dropped. If not detect, the switch will be off and continue the cooking. If system detects smoke or leakage, the smoke detector and leakage liquid sensor consider as switch 4 will on and open the exhaust fan and small hole. If not detect smoke or leakage, the switch will be off and continue the cooking process. If there is emergency case during cooking process, you just have to push the emergency button, which is the push button 4. Once push button 4 is pressed, the security alarm light will on and the fire extinguisher will be active, and the 7 segment will show call 999. If the emergency can be handled without professional help, just push off button, which is a push button 0. Okay, so you can see the program will be off. If you want to continue, you just push button 3 to start. Okay, that's all.
Okay, for our recommendation, we have decided to install an audio system to the machine, where all the instruction and warning will be read out aloud when machine is on. Aside from that, this audio system will also help users who have bad eyesight to use the machine. They don't need to read the instruction but only to listen properly from the audio system. And that's how we upgrade our system machine to the another level.